Hey everyone, I'm back with an amazing makeup for you, and today I'm going to be doing a coffee themed makeup since it was World Coffee Day on the 1st of October. So I'm starting on a fresh face. I've already washed my face and now I'm going to be toning my face with the PIXI Glow Tonic. I am using about 3 to 4 drops. Toning is a very important step in skincare. It balances your pH and gets your skin ready for the next step. I'm moisturizing my skin using the Indulgeo Rose Gold Oil today. About 3 drops for my entire face are more than enough. Prepping your face before makeup is the most important thing to do. This allows your makeup to last long, look flawless, and does not cake your makeup at all. I'm going to let this absorb in my skin for 3 to 4 minutes before starting with my primer. And I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Mattifying Primer today. I love this product. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to take about a pea size amount and apply it on the center of my face. It's very important to remember to apply primer in one direction only instead of rubbing it in. It works like a filler for your face, so when you rub it in, it just disturbs the structure of the product and doesn't work the way it should. My favorite way of correcting is by using a darker concealer under my eyes and around my mouth. So today I'm using the LA Girl Warm Sand Concealer to color correct under my eyes. It's a slightly peachy toned concealer and is a couple of shades darker than my skin tone. It really corrects the discoloration around my mouth and under my eyes. Since I've planned to do a coffee themed makeup, I thought I would do a more bronzy look. So I'm going to use Ace of Face foundation stick from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Vienna. This shade is a couple of shades darker for my skin tone. It will work well with the theme I'm going for. And I'm going to blend this out with a flat topped brush from PIXI Cosmetics. I prefer to use a brush to blend out any cream foundations since it gives me a very flawless look without making it look cakey. Now it's time for my favorite step, bronzing. I'm going to be using Sugar Cosmetics Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to lay the bronze on pretty thick. This is obviously not usually how I bronze, but if you know where you want to go, you only need to trust the process. I'm using the same flat top brush to blend out the bronzer that I used for foundation, taking my time to blend this out seamlessly, yet trying not to overblend. Next up, I'm using the PIXI Take Cover Concealer in the shade 04 to conceal under my eyes, lift the corner of my eyes, on the forehead, bridge of the nose and chin, using some of it below the cheekbone to define the contour, and using a Real Techniques brush to blend it all out. All the products and tools that I'm going to be using will be listed down below in the description box, and I would really appreciate it if you could like, comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I wanted my under eye to look like a spotlight, so I decided to add a lighter concealer to the mix, and here I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics concealer and the shade will be listed down below, and blending it out with a damp sponge. I didn't find that to be enough, so I decided to add some more using the Revolution concealer stick in the shade C7 under my eyes, and now it looks exactly the way I want it to. I'm going to set under my eyes using the ABH contour kit, brightening it up even more. To set the rest, I'm going to be using the Too Faced translucent powder with a big fluffy brush. Using the ABH palette again, I'm going to be intensifying the bronze that I had done. Just to add a hint of color, I use this Wet n Wild blush. It was barely visible, but it did the trick. Before going ahead with the rest of the makeup, I decided to set my face using the LA Girl setting spray. I wanted my lips to be the focus, and to avoid any overdoing, I first decided to line my lips with the Kiko Milano eye pencil in the shade brown. Using the brow pomade from PIXI in the shade 02, I am going to fill in my eyebrows. For an extra ombre look, I decided to fill in the end of my brows with the Nykaa brow powder. Using the same brow pomade, I am creating a base for my eyeshadow, blending it all over my lids and above my crease to get a smoked out look. Using the camely brown shade from this tiny palette, I'm going to be setting the base that I created for my eyeshadow. To increase the intensity of my smoky eyes, I'm going to be using this shade from the Morphe 35R palette on the center of my eyelid and blending it out. I could not for the life of me find my nude eye pencil, so I had to get creative and use the P. Louise Rumor Base number 2 on the waterline to create a doll-like effect. I'm using the same shade under the eyes that I used for the lid and using the Legit Lash Mascara from Huda Beauty to apply loads of it on my eyes before applying lashes. I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Classic with the PIXI Lash Fixer. For the lips, I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick from LA Colors in a very light shade that is mentioned down below. Blending it out with my fingers. I'm using the PIXI glitter glue on my lips just before I dunk my lips into a bowl of coffee and blending it out for a seamless look. Using the same brow pomade to fill in the gap between my eyes and the lashes, and using a highlighter from Bobbi Brown in the shade Pink Glow to finish this look. I hope you guys like this look. It is kind of a different look, unconventional look, over the top kind of a look, but I really loved how it came out. It is important to trust the process and keep working on your end goal. See you again. Bye.